Okay, Mr. Tim, thank you very much. I have seen my own stuff. I'm a newbie in Revit, but with your explanations, wow, it's been wow. May the Lord bless you. Okay, I've done that to the best of my own ability, but please, I complain to you about my doors not coming up. Even though I've downloaded that 2015 template you gave me, I still don't know how to make use of your windows. It keeps popping up this, Alright, so you could just help me. This is the window, it keeps showing this. But here is the assignment. I've done that. Okay. I've done that. It is wonderful. It is wonderful. Thank you. And God bless you.